The 2x4 planter was here, but it is no more. It has ceased to be. It lasted about 5 years, but now it's non-existent. And I'm left with a mess of bamboo roots and rhizomes, and I want to put as much of this mess into an empty stock tank as I can so it doesn't spread, go under the fence, and enrage my neighbors because they know where I live. And I'm sure some has gotten into the ground sitting like it is now, but I'll just have to keep an eye on that stuff and kill it as it comes up. I need to cut it up so I can pick it up because it's in a great big mass, like a 4x4 by 2 foot deep mass, and I can't pick that up. I'm just one man. So I'm going to cut it up. And this is what is left. I was not able to get all of it into that stock tank, but the rest of this I'll just have to put into another stock tank another day, I guess. So that is me repotting my bamboo. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.